Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, hello, my name is Kaylar and I will be sharing in this second video. If you not have watched my first one, make sure you go back and watch that one because that one kind of give you the introduction of my channel. So if you haven't, check that out. And so now let's get into this video. Again, as I'm getting into this video, make sure you guys have some coffee or tea and a little snacky snack because I just want to be a little more informative in this video. So it might be a little bit lengthy, not too long, but a little bit longer than my first video. Okay, so let's kind of dive right into the reason of this video. I want to give you guys more of a background on why I decided to homeschool my child and a breakdown of my, main high key reasons. So the first high key reason I wanted to homeschool is because I want more control of my child's environment. We don't know nowadays what's going on at the schoolhouse for 7 days a week, 8 hours a day when your child is around other children that you don't know what they're exposed to. We got so much out here on the internet that kids have easy access to and easily getting exposed to things that they really shouldn't be exposed to without, the proper monitoring. So that's another reason why I decided to homeschool, because again, I don't want my child influenced by any of those things that he shouldn't be influenced by. The second high key reason I decided to homeschool is the flexibility. We are a family who loves to travel, move around a lot, and I don't like to be confined to a schedule that conflicts with that. I feel like as long as he's getting his education, that's all that matters. And I don't have to report to a school or, worry about attendance due to us moving around a lot and liking to travel. Sorry, I'm getting a little tongue tied. So flexibility is the another big reason why. Also, the bullying. Oh my God, I cannot stress this enough. The bullying nowadays is 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 horrible. Um, I remember when we were just moving in the area where I am now and him transferring to a new school in a new district, literally within like the first week, bullying has occurred. He would come home and say that kids in his classroom were making fun of him or calling him nasty things. And I didn't like that. It was getting to the point where my child would be like, Mom, am I ugly? Am I stupid? Am I this? And I was like, what? Where's all this coming from? Of course not. Like, no. And he will just be like, oh, well, my classmates will say this and that I'm ugly and dumb. And I'm just like, that's really, really unacceptable. Um, and I do not condone and bullying. He also already done had 2 fights with 2 different classmates. So I was just like, yeah, no, even a more reason why I want to homeschool. So yeah, that bullying that should really be at the top of the list, but yeah, I don't like it. Um, what other reason? Let me look at my notes because I do have some key points I want to discuss. Oh, another reason is I want to allow him to have the freedom to learn at his own pace. He's really, 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 really smart and such a fast learner. I feel like once we, learn an activity, if he gets it and comprehends it and get it down within a week, let's move forward. There's no need to drag out what he got down packed. So that's another thing because I feel like he's a little above his grade level right now, which is good. So I just want to keep it that way. I don't want him to, I guess, dumb down, if that makes sense. So allowing him to move at his own pace is another reason, him to flourish. Also, being able to, versus in a classroom setting, what 5-year-old could sit still for a long period of time? Not many, right? So also allowing him to take as much time he needs, as many breaks as he needs, because my child, let me tell you here, he is full of energy. He always have so much energy. So giving him that time to go to the park and play outside and get all that energy out really helps stimulates him in a good way to when we reel it back in to do a little work, he's focused because he got a lot of that energy out and he be ready, he be focused. I notice giving him that time helps him concentrate just a little bit longer. Also, things that help him focus a little bit longer is accommodating his learning style. He is a very hands-on, visual type of learner, and he love to learn through play. So we play like different games I would put together within like a subject that we're doing or that I'm trying to teach him, and I noticed that will keep his attention a lot longer. So we love doing games. He loves arts and crafts or science projects, anything of that nature. It he really enjoys. So excuse me, I want to keep that type of stuff going for him because again, those are things that he is most interested in, and so we can really pull a lot of resources from that based off the things that he's interested in. So these are also another high key reasons why I decided to homeschool, because again, school, the schoolhouse system is not going to cater to those specific needs that I just named. Absolutely not. Also, just real, another reason why is just to teach him real life skills, skills that he can use later on down the line as an adult that the schoolhouse system will not teach you. So I know for myself, I didn't learn in school how to fill out a W 2. I didn't learn in school about taxes and things like that. So these are the type of things, credit. I didn't learn any of that in school. So I want to be able to teach him these type of things that he would actually be able to utilize in the real world when he is old enough and as an adult to apply that to. So, yeah, that's another reason. So, you guys, like I said, I've been doing a lot of research. I also joined a lot of homeschool groups, like on Facebook. I follow other moms and teachers who homeschool on other platforms like Instagram, and it's been so helpful because, like I said, I just since I've been going down this rabbit hole of researching, it's sometimes can be overwhelming, but it actually just gives me confident in myself that I can do this. I'm also in the state of Texas, like I mentioned in the first video. So being in the state of Texas also make it easier because the homeschool law requirements is a lot lenient. Um, so that also made it even more, easy for me to kind of slowly get into the motion of the transition. So I've, before I even known that I was homeschooling, let me back up here. Before I even know that I was homeschooling him, um, I would do things with him since he was like 1 and 2 and up to kind of prepare him for like regular school without me even knowing that I was already homeschooling. So this time he's much older and actually is in grade school now. And yeah, I just want to go full fledged. And now my goal is really to just homeschool him through um, elementary school. I don't want to do the whole, to high school, really just through elementary school and kind of prepare him for middle school. If that makes sense. Now, if he don't ever, decide I don't want to go back to school, that's fine too. But the main goal is to get him through elementary school. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I was really interrupted, but I'm just gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you find this video very helpful and informative. And if you have any other questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below. Also, like I said, experienced homeschool moms, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would love more advice on what I can do to help my journey during this process. So, yeah, I hope you find it helpful and you enjoyed it. And until next video, peace. Bye.